So just a little bit of Sunday action. I'm in the grain cart. I'm never in the grain cart. Occasionally I'll load a truck when the grain cart's sitting full at the edge of the field. But I never unload the combine on the go. I have, but I bet it's been a few years since I've done that. So I'm in here, my son's in the combine, my dad's running trucks. See how it goes. Definitely a different view for me. He's ready to dump. See what we could do. I can get a few inches closer to the truck next time, but like I said, I don't do this very often. And I know I haven't done it in this 9420R articulated four-wheel drive. I've always done it with a row crop tractor for a long time, so get used to the wiggliness. I'm spoiled by my IVT transmission and independent front suspension, so I usually don't drive this tractor most of the year. Actually, spend most of my time in the other one, so doing okay though. We'll survive. He's going to be full enough to stop and wait for me for a minute. Still got 16,000 pounds to go here. Darn cart drivers can't go fast enough for the combine guy. I think Jerry likes to run this transmission in manual. I'm going to try it in auto. That's the way I run it in the field when I do run it. Just got to feather the throttle a little bit to maintain pace with the combine. I don't get this view too often. We've got the 3 generations today. Me in here, Dad in the truck. Actually got both boys in the combine. They are doing just fine. Guess I'm doing okay at this job. Arguably more work than the combine. A lot more shifting around your body in the cab. So I think Jerry watches the mirrors most of the time. I just don't do it a lot, so I'm making sure I'm not screwing up. Got a half load nearby the trucks, so I'll go dump and then hopefully catch him before he gets full again. Coming in hot. Nailed it. Now, since I've been pretty much exclusively the combine driver for the last 14 seasons, since I came back to the farm, I think I'd be a pretty good cart driver because I know what the combine wants. Oh boy. Here comes a brother-in-law. Hi, Jamie. Hey, bro. Got him. Just in time. Yay. Go down and back and this field will be done. Ready to move on tomorrow. Be a good Sunday. I'm doing pretty good. Let's find out. How am I doing?
He said it's not as good as Jerry.
Huh.
8 out of 10.
Andrew says I'm faster than Jerry. Hey, we did it. We finished the field. All done. Awesome. Good job, buddy. I'm so good at this now, I'm just going to fill trucks while they're still on the dump. All done with the field. Good deal. Nice job out there.